Welcome to this complete Ubud Bali Indonesia travel guide. Ubud, a town where tradition meets tranquility, nestled amidst lush terraces and towering temples. It's a place where the air is filled with the scent of incense and the rhythm of gamelan music. It's a living postcard of Indonesian culture with a vibrant art scene that draws inspiration from the breathtaking landscapes surrounding it. From sacred sanctuaries to thriving markets, from tranquil temples to inspiring museums, today we'll take you on a journey to explore the top 10 locations in this magnificent town. Starting with the 10th spot on our list, the sacred monkey forest sanctuary. Imagine stepping into a lush, verdant world, a heartbeat away from the hustle and bustle of Ubud. This is the sacred monkey forest sanctuary, home to over 600 grey, long-tailed macaques. These cheeky primates are not the only residents here, though. The sanctuary also boasts stunning ancient temples, shrouded in mystery and adorned with intricate carvings. Take a leisurely stroll through the forest's leafy trails, where every corner reveals another vista of natural beauty. Towering trees, their branches interlaced, form a green canopy overhead with dapples of sunlight filtering through. It's like stepping into another world, one where nature holds sway, and the modern world feels a world away. Remember, while the monkeys are certainly adorable, they are also wild animals, so do keep a respectful distance. A visit to Ubud isn't complete without a close encounter with these cheeky creatures. Next up at number 9, the iconic Tegalang Rice terraces. A mesmerizing spectacle of nature and human ingenuity. These terraces paint an enchanting picture of emerald green that cascades down the hillside. Carved by hand over centuries, this labyrinth of fields and paddies showcases the traditional Balinese cooperative irrigation system known as Subak. This ancient system, a testament to the island's deep-rooted community spirit, binds the farmers together in their shared endeavor to harness the land's bounty. Encircled by lush tropical foliage, the terraces are a feast for the senses. The rustling of leaves, the distant cluck of a chicken, the soft murmur of flowing water, all harmonize into the soundtrack of rural Bali. And what better way to enjoy this symphony of nature than from the comfort of a hilltop cafe? Sipping on a cup of local coffee, you'll find yourself lost in the panoramic vistas of the verdant landscape. Nothing beats a cup of local coffee while taking in these majestic views. At number 8, we have the gorgeous Camphan Ridge Walk. Now, if you fancy a bit of a hillside trek, this is the place to be. Whether you're an early bird or a sunset chaser, the views here are nothing short of stunning. Imagine yourself walking along a path flanked by lush greenery, the cool breeze gently rustling through the palm leaves. It's a serene landscape that seems to stretch endlessly, with the occasional thatched hut dotting the horizon. You'll find yourself surrounded by the vibrant shades of nature, an emerald green tapestry that's a feast for the eyes. The sunrises and sunsets here are simply mesmerizing, painting the sky with hues of orange, pink and purple. Every moment, every step you take is a picture waiting to be captured. And you know what they say about the early bird, it gets the best light for photography, so grab your camera and get ready to snap away. Perfect for those Instagram-worthy shots. Let's dive into the local culture at number 7, the Ubud Art Market. This bustling bazaar is a treasure trove of unique handicrafts, traditional textiles and vibrant artwork. It's a place where the creative heartbeat of Bali pulses loudly, beckoning visitors to immerse themselves in a world of color, texture and design. As you meander through the market's labyrinth of stalls, you'll find everything from hand-carved wooden sculptures to intricately woven baskets, reflecting Bali's rich cultural heritage. It's not just about the crafts, though. Traditional textiles like batik and ikat fabrics are also a big draw, showcasing the island's enduring textile traditions. And let's not forget about the vibrant artworks. Ubud is known as the artistic hub of Bali, and the market is a testament to this. From striking abstract paintings to delicate watercolors depicting Balinese life, there's a piece of art for every aesthetic. So go ahead, find that perfect souvenir. And remember, don't forget to haggle, it's part of the fun. Coming in at number 6, the spiritually enriching Tirta Temple. This legendary place of worship, nestled amidst the lush Balinese landscape, is steeped in history and tradition. Its name, translating to Holy Spring in Balinese, hints at its unique feature, the sacred springs believed to possess healing properties. Every year, locals and tourists alike flock to the temple to participate in the purification rituals, a truly immersive cultural experience. Participants dip into the temple's holy water pools, moving from one water spout to another, each symbolizing different stages of cleansing and purification. The temple's historical significance takes us 1,000 years back to the times of the Warmadera dynasty. Legend has it that the sacred springs were created by the god Indra himself, bringing forth life-giving water during a battle. A visit to the Tirta Empul temple is more than sightseeing. It's a journey into the heart of Balinese culture, a truly cleansing experience, both spiritually and physically. On the fifth spot, we have the ancient Goa Gaja, also known as Elephant Cave. This archaeological wonder, nestled in the heart of Ubud, is a testament to Bali's rich historical tapestry. Steeped in mystery, the cave's entrance is a spectacle in itself, adorned with intricate rock carvings that almost seem to tell a story as old as time. Inside the cave is serene, almost meditative, with walls that whisper tales of ancient spiritual practices. But the allure of Goa Gaja extends beyond the cave. The site is surrounded by lush gardens, a tranquil reprieve from the hustle and bustle of the outside world. It's a place where nature and history converge in perfect harmony. Adding to its charm are the picturesque ponds, their waters reflecting the beauty of the surroundings, creating a scene straight out of a postcard. Goa Gaja is more than just a cave. It's a step back in time that you wouldn't want to miss. At number 4, the breathtaking Teganongan Waterfall. Now, imagine a place where nature puts on a show like no other. That's Teganongan Waterfall for you. This is no mere trickle over a cliff edge. This is a powerful surge of water cascading down into a natural swimming pool. The waterfall, nestled in the heart of a lush tropical jungle, is a majestic spectacle of Mother Nature at her finest. The surrounding scenery is just as captivating, with verdant foliage stretching as far as the eye can see. It's a scene straight out of a dream, where the air is filled with the gentle rustling of leaves and the soothing symphony of the waterfall. And the natural swimming pool? It's the perfect spot to take a refreshing dip, surrounded by the sheer grandeur of the waterfall and the tropical paradise. Nothing beats the cool mist of the waterfall on a hot day. Coming in at number 3, the serene Sarasati Temple. This divine sanctuary, dedicated to the Hindu goddess of knowledge and arts, is indeed a sight to behold. Imagine a pond dotted with hundreds of blooming lotus flowers, a picture of tranquility against the backdrop of this majestic temple. Now let's talk about the temple itself. It's a testament to Balinese craftsmanship, with intricate carvings gracing its stone walls. Each carving tells a story, a whisper from the past that adds a mystic charm to the temple. But the experience doesn't stop at the visual delight. As dusk falls, the temple transforms into a vibrant stage for traditional dance performances. The rhythmic movements of the dancers, the hypnotic music, and the soft glow of the lights against the night sky create an experience that's nothing short of magical. It's not just a temple, it's a peaceful retreat in the heart of the bustling town. Second on our list, the eclectic Blanco Renaissance Museum. Nestled amidst the lush greenery of Ubud, this museum stands as a testament to the creative genius of the late Don Antonio Blanco. Stepping inside, you're instantly transported into Blanco's world, filled with a vibrant collection of artworks that span across different mediums. The museum itself is a piece of art. Its flamboyant architecture, a blend of Balinese and Spanish influences, is a true spectacle to behold. But the real charm lies within. Each room tells a story, a glimpse into Blanco's fascinating life and his deep love for Bali and its people. From surreal portraits to evocative sketches, Blanco's works are a riot of colors and emotions. Each piece is a conversation, a dialogue between the artist and the viewer. This museum is more than just a repository of art. It's a journey into the mind of a man who dared to dream and create, a feast for the eyes and the soul. Finally, at the top of our list, the majestic Pura Gunung Kawi. This ancient temple is a testament to the intricate craftsmanship of the past, with its impressive rock carvings etched into the face of a towering cliff. One can't help but marvel at the sheer scale and detail of these structures, each telling a tale of Bali's rich history. As if the temple isn't captivating enough, it's nestled amidst lush rice fields that stretch as far as the eye can see. These verdant landscapes, framed by the rugged beauty of the cliff, create a picture-perfect panorama that's nothing short of breathtaking. But Pura Gunung Kawi isn't just about the visual spectacle. It's the spiritual ambience that truly sets it apart. The air here carries a serene tranquility, a gentle whisper of the sacred that resonates deep within one's soul. It's an experience that stays with you long after you've left. A fitting end to our journey through the enchanting town of Ubud.